Everyone thinks the best-selling steam iron is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ogham Steamer 2-in-1. The Ogham Steamer for clothes is a travel-friendly steamer that caught my eye right away. Priced at $39.99, it boasts powerful 1000 W performance and a compact design. If you want a quick and effective way to bust those wrinkles, this is worth a serious look. It features 3 steam modes, dry, low, and high, allowing you to customize your approach depending on the fabric. With a 120 ml water tank, you can steam multiple garments without constant refills. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to pack for travel, which matters if you're always on the go. Now, some people complained about the 1000 W power being too much for delicate fabrics. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and stick to the lower settings, it works just fine. Honestly, it's a small trade-off for the power and versatility you get. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler needing a travel steamer that's powerful yet compact. Skip this one if you only need a steamer for occasional use, as it might be overkill for that. Now, if the high power of the Ogham steamer seems daunting, this next one takes a gentler approach. Product number 2, Ogham Handheld Steamer. Next up is another Ogham model, the handheld clothing steamer, priced at just $24.99. This one caught my attention because it offers a larger capacity at 240 ml while remaining portable. If you want something that's practical and budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. This steamer provides 15 minutes of continuous steam, enough to handle several items in one go. The 304 stainless steel heating panel not only heats up effectively, but also ensures durability. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver on all types of fabrics, which is perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward solution to wrinkles. However, some users noted that it doesn't handle heavier fabrics as well as heavier models. But here's the thing, if you primarily need it for lighter fabrics or quick touch-ups, this steamer does the job without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use steamer for general household needs. Skip this one if you need something that can handle tough wrinkles in heavy fabric, as it might not meet your expectations. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger capacity with similar features. Product number 3, High Life Portable Steamer. The High Life steamer for clothes is another strong contender, priced at $25.99. With a sleek black design and a big capacity of 240 ml, it's perfect for those who want something reliable. If you're looking for a steamer that's efficient yet affordable, this is worth a serious look. The 8.5-foot power cord gives you ample reach, making it easier to steam clothes hanging in awkward spots. Plus, it provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steam, which is convenient for larger steaming jobs. Some users mention that it could be tricky to use with heavier materials. But honestly, if your primary focus is on casual wear or lighter fabrics, this steamer provides excellent performance. This is perfect for you if you need a portable steamer that's quick and efficient for everyday use. Skip this one if you're mainly dealing with heavier fabrics, as it might not give you the results you need. Now, if you're still not sold on the High Life, check out the next model that offers similar features but different styling. Product number 4, High Life Blue Steamer. Next, we have another High Life option, the portable handheld clothing steamer in blue, priced at $26.99. It's similar to the previous model, but comes with a stylish look and a few extra features. If aesthetics matter to you alongside functionality, this is worth a serious look. This steamer also has a 240 ml capacity and 700 W of power, providing strong steam in just 2 minutes. The 9-foot power cord means you can maneuver easily while steaming clothes without feeling restricted. It's lightweight, compact, and fits neatly into your luggage, making it a great travel companion. However, users pointed out that it can be finicky if not operated correctly, especially when it comes to refilling the water. But here's the thing, if you're careful and follow the instructions, it does a fantastic job of keeping clothes wrinkle-free. This is perfect for you if you want a visually appealing steamer that works well for various fabrics. Skip this one if you need something that's fail-proof and super user-friendly, as it requires some attention in operation. Finally, if you're interested in another solid steamer from High Life, the last one I have might just be what you need. Product number 5, High Life Ocean Blue Steamer. Our last pick is the High Life portable handheld design in ocean blue, priced at $26.97. It's practically identical to the previous model but comes with a slightly different color option. If you're someone who wants a steamer that looks good and works well, this is worth a serious look. It heats up in just 2 minutes, and its portability makes it perfect for travel. You can use it on a range of fabrics, making it flexible for different clothing types. Some reviews noted that it can occasionally leak if overfilled. But honestly, if you stick to the fill line, it performs excellently. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional steamer for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically designed for heavy-duty fabrics, as it might not cut it for those needs. So there you have it, 5 solid options for steam irons that can keep your clothes wrinkle-free. The OG-HOM models offer great power and portability, while High Life provides stylish choices without sacrificing performance. Whether you're traveling or just need a reliable steamer at home, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.